Let's now take a look at some breaking news coming in. A 15-year-old girl who was allegedly set on fire by three unidentified individuals in Odisha's Puri district on July 19th has died while undergoing treatment at AIIMS Delhi. Remember viewers, the incident occurred on the banks of the river Bhargavi, where the girl sustained 75% burn injuries. She was initially treated at the Pipili Community Health Center and later moved to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. On July 20th, she was airlifted to AIIMS Delhi for advanced treatment, where she underwent multiple surgeries and skin grafting procedures before she died. My colleague Arzu Seth joins us on the broadcast for more details on this story. Arzu, we're now learning that the minor who was a part of an alleged immolation case in Odisha has died. Take us through the details of the case, please.
Yes, a 15-year-old girl who sustained over 75% burn, after being allegedly set on fire by unidentified immigrants in Odisha's Puri district on July 19, died at the AIIMS New Delhi, on Saturday. And also, what we are getting to know in a major twist, the state police just are after the girl's death said that no other person was involved in the incident. So earlier report has suggested and said that the girl was waylaid by the three person and set ablaze. But just after the girl died, there was a statement that has come from the state police that no other person was involved. So this is also a matter of investigation, and now the crime branch of Orissa has taken over the investigation as the incident sparked nationwide, outrage coming just days after a college student self-immolated on the campus of Fakir Mohan, college in Balasore. Also, the Mohan Maji-led government already under fire over the Balasore incident came under renewed criticism from the opposition parties who have intensified their demand for improved women safety measures in Orissa. So definitely, the Orissa police have in fact informed and posted on X, giving a message that they are deeply saddened to hear the news of the death of the victim girl. The police have conducted the investigation with utmost sincerity. The investigation has reached its final stage. So definitely the police has informed that the investigation has reached the final stage, but till now it remains to be seen, because now the crime branch in investigating the entire matter. So this remains to be seen whether there were only one person who was involved, or as the report suggested that the three people have laid the girl down, so are other person also involved. So this is a matter of investigation, and as of now it's a very sad that a girl, a fighting victim, has lost her life in Delhi AIIMS.
Yes, Arzu, in fact, stay on with us as we are in fact tracking more developments in relation to the case. Shortly after her death, Odisha police said that in their investigation that they had found no evidence of involvement by any other individual in the incident. However, they did not explain how the girl was set ablaze, despite the initial FIR filed by her mother alleging that three unidentified persons abducted her and set her on fire with an inflammable substance. The girl was reportedly attacked while walking home after visiting a friend. Odisha police has now posted on X stating that we are deeply saddened to hear the news of the death of the victim girl in the Balanga incident. The police have conducted the investigation with utmost sincerity. The investigation has reached its final stage. According to the investigation conducted so far, it is clear that no other person is involved. Therefore, we request everyone not to make any sensitive comments regarding this matter during this tragic moment. Arzu Seth continues to be with us. Arzu, as you said, of course, the police has stated that no other person was involved, but the girl's mother has accused three unidentified people of abducting and setting her ablaze. So, with the police now saying that, the investigation has reached its final stage, what else can we expect in the case? Will we see justice provided to the girl?
Well, definitely, the mother has claimed that the girl was abducted by three people and was set ablaze and after that, but the police what has said in the statement just after, the girl has passed, and this is the major twist that has come, that the state police just after the girl's death said that no other person was involved in the incident, and because the early, the mother has said that the girl was waylaid by three persons and set ablaze. So this remains to be seen, because the information what we're getting to know that the investigation is also in the final phase. So it has reached to the final report. So what the police is now going to investigate whether the crime branch has taken over the entire incident. So is there any involvement or the conspiracy by the other people? Because as of now, what the police has said that there was no other person involved in this incident. So as of now, the police has denied involvement of any other person in this case. But yes, there is a need of investigation, as the mother has alleged that she was abducted by the three people. So yes, there has been a lot of outrage regarding this issue. There has been comments that are coming in, the condolences that are pouring in. In fact, the family members are very saddened, and saying that they are disheartening. This news is very disheartening for them, as the girl who was fighting for her life has come to her injuries in the Delhi Aims. Yes, Malvika.
Yes, Arzu, stay on with us. In fact, in some more breaking news regarding this, we are learning that Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manjhi has now confirmed the minor girl's death. He stated, and I quote, "I am deeply saddened to hear the news of the death of the victim in the Balanga incident. Despite all the efforts of the government and the round-the-clock efforts of the expert medical team at AIIMS Delhi, her life could not be saved." Well, Arzu, the Odisha Chief Minister has also now spoken about the case. Take us through this statement that he's made.
Well, definitely, Malvika. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Manji expressed grief over her death, and stating that despite all efforts by the government and the dedicated care of the specialist medical care at the AIIMS, her life could not be saved. And the statement he made that, he posted on X that, "I'm deeply shocked to learn of the girl's death. I pray for the internal peace of her soul." And also, the incident, if you talk about the incident, took place under the Balanga police station limits in Puri districts during the past 2 weeks. Post reports suggested that her health condition was improving, and that the government was trying for skin grafting. And also, if we talk about, the girl has had been airlifted from AIIMS Bhubaneswar to Delhi for advanced treatment at the at both the hospitals. The investigation team are said to have recorded her statement several times. Though she suffered 75% burn, she was able to speak. The Orissa police will come out with a detailed probe report. So definitely, the girl was a fighter, and even after 75% of burn, she has recorded her statement several times. So this will be a very crucial clue as far as the investigation is concerned. But yes, we lost a girl, and now the condolences are pouring in from the Orissa Chief Minister, and also former Chief Minister and the Biju Janata Dal leader Naveen Patnaik has in fact shared his condolences, and said that he was deeply saddened at her demise, and he stated that, "My condolences for the young girl, and prayers are with the family, and strength to the families." So this is what we are getting to know, that there are prayers that be coming in, and may God give the family members strength to bear this irreplaceable loss. This is what the Patnaik has said. So the Orissa Pradesh Congress Committee President has also, condolence over the issue, shared his condolence over the issue, and said that deeply saddened and heartbroken at the news, and I demand the stringent actions in this incident and justice for the girl. So now the demand has been coming for the justice to the girl, because there are a lot of questions being raised regarding the women's safety in the Orissa because of the recent incident. And now, everyone is demanding that yes, we have lost a girl, but yes, the proper justice should be served to the girl. Yes, Malvika.
Well, Arzu, stay on with us as we in fact shift our focus to some more news coming in